Yesterday, Baruipur incident happened. What would you say, sir? Political unrest and violence is still going on.
It's a very sad fact. It's a very sad fact of life in Bengal. That sporadic violence is there in various parts of the state. Every stakeholder, the government, non-governmental organizations, the media, civil society have to come together and fight against violence. Under no circumstances can we play with the life of the individuals. Right to life is a fundamental right. Everybody has got a duty to see that the life and property of people are guarded. First responsibility is that of the government, but we cannot leave everything to government. Civil society also has a right. Every stakeholder has to come together. As governor, I will certainly take the lead, bring everyone together and see that violence is contained forever.
Okay, sir, since the Ram Navami is approaching, you know, from the Kolkata police, a letter has been given to the Cricket Association of Bengal that the adequate security cannot be provided and need to postpone the match, the IPL match, which was supposed to be hosted in Eden Gardens on that particular day. Sir, you know, sir, last year also a few incidents happened throughout the state. Since the Ram Navami is on 6th of April, what is your message? What is your take on this, sir, as an constitutional guidance of the state?
I'm very sure that all stakeholders will act with a sense of responsibility and Ram Navami will pass on in a very, very peaceful and harmonious manner.
सर वेस्ट बंगाल में जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का जो हाल है उसकी वजह से बीजेपी की तरफ से प्रेसिडेंट रूल की जो मांग की जा रही है.
I am no one to speak for a particular political party.
Sir, universities last 6 years. University and college go election. Every students are agitated in residency Jadavpur. They talk to government to elections for college and universities.
As you yourself said, it is already before government. Let government take a decision, then we will see.
Okay, sir. On Jadavpur University, 3 months ago, sir, they can students disturbance on there. What about this violence inside the university campus?
We will not allow violence to have a free play, not only in Jadavpur University but in any university. For that we have to work together. We are working together. We will certainly take all steps necessary to put an end to this melee in the campuses.
Yesterday, sir, Home Minister Amit Shah on Parliament says that no special CBI court in West Bengal for the investigation. What about on it, sir?
If the Home Minister has said it, that's his opinion. But I have nothing more to add.
That will not be on the special CBI court notice there in West Bengal. The trial courts on these cases are pending. That's the reason. So what you are the governor? What you want to say, sir?
I can only say the law will take its course.
Yesterday, Baruipur incident happened. TMC and the BJP they clashes each other, and the Shubhendu Adhikari they also demanded president rule because everything is a mess. He said.
So I cannot speak for any particular political party. Their views that their authorized persons express.
Okay. Thank you.